Welcome to today's video. If you're using Telegram web on your computer and those offline notifications keep popping up even when you're not active, don't worry, I've got the quick and simple solution for you. In this video, I'll walk you through how to turn off offline notifications on Telegram web with the latest update so you can stay focused without unnecessary distractions. First, open Telegram web on your browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your settings. Once you're in, take a look at the top left corner of your Telegram screen. You'll see three small dots right next to your profile picture and chat list. Go ahead and click on those three dots. They're your shortcut to the main menu. When the menu appears, select Settings. This will open all your customization options for Telegram web. From here, click on Notifications. That's where all your alert preferences are managed. Inside the Notifications menu, scroll down until you see the option labeled Offline Notifications. By default, this might be checked or turned on, which means that Telegram sends you alerts even when you're offline. To prevent this, simply uncheck that box. This stops Telegram web from showing you notifications after you've gone offline or closed the tab. That's it, just a few clicks and you're done. You've now successfully disabled offline notifications on Telegram web.